Open source models are a critical facilitator of innovation, cooperation, and accessibility in the ever-changing realm of artificial intelligence. The open source AI models are critical for democratizing AI technology, encouraging community-led development, and speeding up research and discovery.
Democratizing AI.
One of the main reasons open source models are so important is that they help to democratize access to AI. By providing high-quality models for open source projects, you remove the barriers that often stand in the way of individuals and organizations using AI. With free access to the latest AI models, not only big companies with lots of resources can benefit, but startups, researchers, and enthusiasts can too, fostering collaboration and innovation. Open source AI models create an environment in which developers and academics from all over the world may contribute to and improve models, resulting in efficient and innovative solutions that would not be possible in closed-off systems. The shared pool of information accelerates problem-solving processes and lays the groundwork for innovations that can affect a variety of industries, such as healthcare and environmental research, accelerating research and development. Open-source AI models have increased research and development efficiency by saving time and resources. Researchers might improve current task models rather than develop new ones from scratch, therefore expediting research and facilitating the deployment of applications with real-world advantages, ensuring transparency and trust. Another essential aspect of open-source AI models is transparency, and with open-source code and algorithms, it is easier for customers and stakeholders to see how decisions are being made, and this is mainly crucial for AI structures utilized in sensitive industries like finance, healthcare, or regulation enforcement. Transparency facilitates users and stakeholders agreeing that the AI gadget is truthful, unbiased, and ethical. Educational value. These open-source AI fashions are a brilliant source of gaining knowledge as they offer college students and AI specialists with arms-on experience. Open-source models permit students to test with actual global AI fashions and benefit from higher know-how of gadgets, getting to know algorithms, which is essential for growing the following technology of AI experts. Challenges and considerations. Open-source AI models offer many blessings. However, they also present some demanding situations. The challenges involve guaranteeing the high quality and preservation of contributions, managing intellectual property rights, and providing necessary help and paperwork. Furthermore, the community bears a responsibility to ensure that open-source AI models are appropriately utilized and do not create bias or damage. Conclusion. Open-source models embody the values of openness, collaboration, and inclusivity. These values are fundamental to the ethical and just development of AI and generative AI. Open-source models will continue to play an essential role in the future development of technology and society as the AI landscape expands. The multifaceted role open-source models play in the development of artificial intelligence and how they will shape the future of technology.